Hello everyone, welcome to the learning curve. Today we are discussing about the C sharp syntax, output, comments along with the MCQs. Let's get started. So first concept is C sharp syntax. C sharp syntax we are using system. System imports having namespace and different built-in classes like console, text it has and namespace. This is used to declare to organize the code, and we have a class name program. So this is an entry point of an application. So another thing that always appears C# program in the main method. In the main method, you can able to see the code. Here the console write line we are using to write the code and we are printing the code here hello world. So mostly the CS syntax, C sharp syntax having um, the console write line for output and print for that code. So next one is C sharp output. So console dot write line, this is used to print and move to the next line after the output. For example, we have a console.writeLine hello and console.writeLine world. Here the output is hello. In the new line, it will shows world. And the second point is console.write, which is prints the text but doesn't move to the next line. Here console write we have hello world and console write we have I will print. The output is we can see hello world I will print in the same line. So slash n creates a new line, slash t creates a new tab. When we're trying to modify the string, math calculations we can do with above two methods. In C sharp comments, C sharp has three types of comments: single line, multi-line, and XML documentation comments. So you can see double line for the single line comments. We have a three lines, three backslashes for the XML documentation comments, and console.write. So here you can see um, which is prints in this line level. Here the two black slashes for the commenting the single line and multi-line. It is in the slash backslash with the star. You can see in the example at the um, lines. So XML documentation comments as a three lines which is used to generate the documentation for the methods, classes, and properties as well. So we are entering to the MCQs. Which class is used to display output to the console in C sharp? System output, system display, system console, system screen. The answer is system console. What will be the output of the following code? Console write line, welcome, and space and user. So this is option B, welcome user backslash. And XML documentation comments are mainly used to options are make the code run faster, generate API documentation, encrypted data, reduce the file size. The answer is generate API documentation. Which method clears the console screen? Console clear, console reset, console wipe, console erase. Answer is console clear. Which of the following can format the output in C sharp? We have four options: using a plus operator, using um, dollar along with the curly braces, using string dot format, and all of the above. Answer is all of the above. So choose the correct way to print the tab space in output. Answer is backslash T. Which of the following is a correct single line comment? We have already discussed this. The answer is B. Which is the use of comments? Make code execute faster, help understand the code, decrease the file size, make code compile fast. The answer is help understand the code. What does the console.readline returns? Console.readline returns the string. Which method can be used to format numbers nicely in C# output? The answer is toString method. To read a single character input from the user, which method is used? Console read key, console read char, console read get key. So answer is console read key. Which tool uses XML comments to generate external documentation? DocFX, XML Writer, HTML Doc, C# Reader. The answer is DocFX. When you use console read, what the value is written? Options are Unicode value of the character, string, boolean, no written value. The answer is Unicode value of the character. In XML documentation, which tag is used to describe the method's purpose? Options are returns, remarks, summary, expectation. The answer is summary. XML documentation comments are mainly helpful for reducing runtime errors, auto generation API docs, faster execution, and shorter source files. So the answer is auto generated API docs. Which XML tag in C# helps to describe the parameters of the method? Option A params, option B parameter, C param input. The answer is param. I hope you understand very well. We can meet in the next video. Stay tuned, stay focused. Thank you.